it's me again. What am I doing for Halloween? Well, anyway, if you're watching this video, it's probably Halloween. What's my Halloween build this year? There is none. Probably gonna just make another video and eat candy on Halloween. But anyway, I'm making this video just because it's probably Halloween right now. Everybody's probably out trick-or-treating. I didn't have time to do it last year. If you look at my thing, there's a Freddy Krueger video came out. So yeah, that was fun to build. I should have just built another one, sort of fun of it. Make different styles of Freddy Krueger gloves. And if you go back, there's a Halloween Freddy Krueger glove. I was going to try to make a Jason mask, but I don't have time right now. So maybe next fall I'll do a Halloween build. So anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget, everybody have a happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.